Thank you for giving this opportunity on the dais, and also good afternoon to everybody who has come here. And I wanted to say one thing, like uh, this initiative is very inspirational, and by this scheme, it's not only a scheme, but it's a revolution. So to reduce the traditional sources, and we can utilize the sunlight, and we can reduce the traditional sources and not to depend on the this thing. And apart from this, Modi ji has given a good opportunity for us to attend this parade, because I never thought of, I mean, attending, or even I don't have in my mind like whether I will attend this parade or not. But this Surya Ghar Yojana has given this opportunity. Not only this, you have given this opportunity, and we have the responsibility, and I feel like it's a duty, and I will, as yesterday Prahlad ji said, like, be as ambassador, and I will be telling not only the all over, I will be publishing, and even everybody is asking, how you got this opportunity? Only by giving, only by utilizing this Surya Ghar. Not only that, I will utilize this opportunity and act like an ambassador, and I will tell this scheme to everybody. Thank you for giving this opportunity.